what kind of husband would you like to have in your future? Looks like the crowd also wants to know.
So your question is, how important it is to look beautiful all the time?
What is Jambliathon?
My name is Lirbon Ronghangpi, proudly representing from Jampralangso.
Kardom. Good evening, respected judges, and to all the lovely people present here. I am a 26 years old lady from Hamren, West Karbi Anglong. My name is Serling Kropi, and my qualification is MA 3rd semester.
Kardom Darlangso. A very good evening to respected judges and audience present over here. Hello, Darlangso. Firstly, a very warm good evening to the respected juries and to all the beautiful ladies and gentlemen present here. I am Anjali Hassamsa from Manja,
She loves some in the club with the lights off, but you act a shy for. Come and show me that you with it.
I hope our dear judges are ready with their questions. So for the first questioning round, I would like to call on contestant number 3, Alisa Nimsopi.
Please everyone put your hands together for the first finalist, contestant number 3.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Good evening, Alisha.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you feeling right now?
Feeling good.
You are in the top 13. Can you just tell me what are the thoughts that you are having in your head right now? I would like to know that.
Can you repeat it, ma'am? Again?
आप अभी क्या सोच रहे हैं? अपने दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है? मैं वो जानने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ अभी, क्योंकि आप टॉप 13 में पहुँच गए हैं, ज़रूर भी आपके अंदर कुछ बात है. So आपके दिमाग में आप क्या चल रहा है?
Thank you so much for the question, ma'am. I feel nervous and also excited because every contestant are very talented. So I also think about myself that I could win or not. Thank you.
Thank you so much, but stay positive. Be thankful that you are in the top 13. You have come so far. Congratulations. Thank you for the answer.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, contestant number 3. And next, I would like to call up contestant number 5.
Contestant number 5, Anjali Hassamsa.
Come on, people, put your hands together for the very beautiful contestant number 5.
Good evening, Anjali. Good evening, ma'am. So, how are you feeling? I'm feeling really great, ma'am, because I made it to the top 13. And I'm so thankful to all of you, ma'am. Okay, my question for you is, who is your idol? Who do you look up to and why? Thank you so much, ma'am, for your wonderful question. Well, my idol, I would say that's my mother, because she is everything for me. She is the role model of my life. The way she is the way she inspired me the most. I love her the most, and again I want to say I love you so much, Mom, and thank you so much for everything. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Best wishes to you.
Thank you so much, Judge. Thank you, Anjali Hassamsa. Next, would like to call on contestant number 7, Rupamoni Terangpi.
Raja ke melong ke cepat telong top 13 long kali di contestant number 8.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
You are looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
So ready for your question?
Yes.
Okay, then your question is, can money buy happiness?
Thank you for your wonderful questions, ma'am. And I personally feel that happiness defines peace. So I feel like money can't buy happiness because happiness defines peace, and which is very important for us in these generations. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Rupamoni.
Step on up to this. Step on up to this. Step on up to this crazy love.
For the next questioning round, I would like to call on contestant number 8, Christina Inghipi.
Step on up to this. Step on up to this. Step on up to this crazy love. I'm classy.
Contestant number 8.
Hello. Hello. Your contestant number, please.
Contestant number 8.
Contestant number 8, ma'am.
Okay. So, my question to you is, why should we select you as our title holder tonight? Why should we select you as our title holder tonight?
Thank you for a very wonderful question, ma'am. I think everyone here, my fellow contestants, are equal as hardworking as me. But what really set me apart to win this title tonight is my passion and my hard work towards my goal. I think winning the crown is taking the torch in our hand. To make the torch lightning, we need to work hard. And I would like to take the responsibility in my hand so that I could use this title for a purpose. And I would get the opportunity to inspire many to do something great for the future of the society. And mainly, I want to tell the youth to work hard because they are the future of the society. If they don't work hard, the future of the society will be dark. Thank you, ma'am.
This is given by my lovely father. His name is Rajan Pangcho. And he said that he has joined two words. Roma means in Karbi, Kero. So he just put that ro, R-O, ro. And Malin means the morning star.
Okay, Miss Shining Star, thank you for the...
What problem do you see in the current scenario in Karbi Along, and how would you solve them?
Thank you for your questions, ma'am. I will say that currently it's the road and educations, because here the educational system is not really that high, I will say, and the road, it's not really been prepared. That's all I can say. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Contestant 15, Sertalin Ronghangpi.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, so your question is, you are standing in front of a mirror and your age is 15. What would you like to say or advise to that 15 years old girl?
Thank you so much for your wonderful question, ma'am. If I am given a chance to give an advice to the 15-year-old girl, then it would be never giving up on yourself. Because you know what you are and who you are. And never give up on your dreams. Because you believe, if you believe that you can do this, then no one can stop you. And today I'm standing here believing that. And this really makes me proud of myself and confident in myself. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Now, I'd like to call on contestant number 17, Kelly Hasnu.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, my question is, what is the one thing that you have learned during this pageantry of yours and that has transformed you?
Thank you for the
Thank you for the beautiful question, ma'am. I am very glad to have got this question. In this journey, I have learned that we should be confident of yourself and love yourself. Sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you for the beautiful question that you have asked to me, ma'am. I believe that this pageantry has taught me to be confident and brave, to embrace yourself and go towards it with utmost dedication and achieve your goals. Thank you.
Contestant 18, Jeremir Baby.
Hello, Jeremir.
Hello, sir.
Feeling good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, as we all know, our national pride, our national symbol, Karbi national symbol, what I taught him, what we say, the Jambalaya-thon. So, could you please elaborate and just, what is Jambalaya-thon?
Thank you for your question, sir. My answer to your question would be, the Jambalaya-thon represents the 5 clans of the Karbi, and it is known for its totem. The 5 clans consist of Kronjang, Hanjang, Tungjang, Lie, and Ejang. Thank you.
Could you please tell me when it is being used?
It is basically used and worn by a woman and a man as well. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Contestant 19, Serlika Rongpipi.
Hello, Serlika.
Hello, ma'am.
I like that color on you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I would like to ask you, what kind of husband would you like to have in your future? Looks like the crowd also wants to know.
First of all, thank you so much, ma'am, for asking this question. I appreciate you so much. And I would also like to welcome you to our grandeur celebration of the Golden Jubilee of our Karbi Youth Festival.
Thank you.
According to me, a good and caring husband is the most important. Dear girls, do not go for looks or for the money. The generation we live in, we can see many girls choosing boys who are rich and luxury over the men or the boys who are good in heart. For me, a good husband or a good partner for a lifetime would be someone who would step with me even with the bad days, and who would always step hand in hand with me and would never give up on me. A good husband or a good partner is someone who believes in you and who would trust you even in your bad days, even when you're struggling, even when you have nothing or even a penny. A good husband for me is someone who understands you, who would always and always be behind me and support me. Thank you so much.
Good evening, contestant number 21.
Good evening, ma'am.
You look beautiful tonight.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, my question for you is, what do you learn from failure that you don't learn from success?
I learned from failures that to overcome myself from the failures that to build more. Failure is something which we should build in ourselves. A right failure is that you can do it in the next time and for better. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
You're looking so beautiful.
Thank
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So your question is, how important it is to look beautiful all the time, or is it important to look beautiful all the time?
So, looking beautiful does not mean that you should be physically beautiful. It means when you're happy. So when you're happy, eventually you look beautiful anyway. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.